Hey, so I just bought two different tiers from Pacific Mall. I'm just gonna show a quick unboxing of it. So as you can see here, it's the cover, two different tiers, and the back has a track listing. You could see it there. I think there's the international or Chinese version. I'm not sure. The measurements are approximately 17.5 centimeters, both sides. So it comes with a sleeve here, as you can see. And then here's the actual album. It's the exact same. This is just an extra sleeve. And it opens two ways. It opens like this. So when you open it the first way, it just comes with a booklet. Pretty cool booklet. Has all the members. Yep. Then when you turn around, it opens at the back again. And you have some more photos. I'm just going to show you some of them. Keep it a surprise for when you buy it. Actually, I just showed you all of them. Well, anyways, it opens twice. And here's the CD. Here's a size comparison with a regular North American standard CD. So as you can see, it's pretty big, this one, the girls' disc. Yeah. So yeah, it's a pretty cool album. The pages are really glossy. And it's really good. There it is.